Question number 9 on Schoology. We have a rational exponent. And what that means is that we have a fraction as our power. And over here, you can see our rule. It says m over n, so that's our fraction. And then that n value is going to be your root. And in this case, because that's a 2, it's going to be like our square root. So what we're going to be doing is we are going to be taking the square root of everything that we see in those parentheses. So we're going to start off by taking the square root of 49, and that just means 49 to the half power. Square root means what times itself is 49. So you can go over here and you can actually type in 49 to the, and I press the AB button with the exponent of the b so that I can type in whatever exponent I want. You could also just type in the square and edit it to be the 1/2, and you can see that that's 7. That means 7 times 7 is that 49. You can also, I used the word square root earlier, see that the square root of 49 is 7. So again, 7 times 7 gives you that 49. So the answer to this beginning part, the coefficient part, is going to be a 7. Now for the next piece, you can kind of think of it like a power to a power. We have m squared, and we want to do to the half power. So we want to write half of m squared. Well, m squared looks like this, m times m, right? The power of 2. So if I write half of those m's, I'm just writing 1m. And that's how we would do m squared to the half power. So it's almost like what we did before, where we had to write the exponent of 3 meant that we wrote it 1, 2, 3 times. This time we're writing it, our variables, half as many times. And then when we go to our p's, we would have p to the 16th power that we want to do to the power of half. So if we have 16 p's, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 16 p's, and I want to write half of those, how many p's would I write? And you can actually count them if you want to, or you can know that half of 16 is 8. So we would have p to the 8th power. So for our answer, we would put in our coefficient of 7. We would just have m, and then we would have p to the 8th.